Hey, Travel Triad family, CJ here. Big update for travelers. Thailand has introduced a new tourist tax and it's happening soon. So what does that mean for your next trip? Let me break it down. First off, if you're flying in, there's a 300 baht fee, which is about $8.50. For land arrivals, it's 150 baht or around $4.25. Why the tax? The funds will go toward improving tourist sites and compensating for medical costs in case of accidents. How do you pay? Thailand is setting up an automated system through Krung Thai Bank. You'll be able to handle it online when applying for your visa or travel permit. However, if you're just transiting through, you won't need to pay. Diplomats and infants are also exempt, but retirees and long-term expats will still have to pay the tax. So what do you think? Worth the extra bucks for a smoother trip and better facilities? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more travel updates. Safe travels!